This is the all-new Samsung foldable flagship device, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This device is actually made up with premium materials, and I like how Samsung makes it look a little bit smaller and wider than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 of last year. Literally, this device packs cool features and specifications you would love to know about. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. What's up guys, it's Charles here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the specifications for the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So yeah, let's quickly start off with the design. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is made up with premium plastic, armor aluminum film and tougher screens. This device looks durable and appealing at the same time. So I'm going to classify the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in 3 words. It is foldable, portable and durable. Yeah. So the device still maintains same external specifications of its predecessor. Now let's talk about the display of this device. But before we start with the display, if it's your first time checking out the channel or you are new to the channel, it's going to be much appreciated if you try to show some support by subscribing and also turning that notification bell aside of it to always get notified whenever a new video drops. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with 2 displays when it is folded and when it is unfolded. When it is folded, it supports a cover display of 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED panel, 120 Hz of high refresh rate with a resolution of 904 by 2316 pixels. When it is unfolded, it supports a dynamic AMOLED 7.6-inch display with 120 Hz of high refresh rate and a resolution of 1812 by 2176 pixels. It also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus screen protection for its display, which is more tougher and harder than the previous Corning Gorilla Glass Victus we have in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 of last year. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the best multitask phone. It does great job in gaming and also in multitasking. This device is actually powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 that is paired with an internal memory storage of 12GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM that can have a further expansion up to 512GB of ROM or 1TB. It also comes with an octa-core processor CPU and Adreno 730 GPU alongside with 120 Hz of high refresh rate that enhances smooth and better performance while gaming and scrolling on apps. Now let's talk about the camera aspect of the device. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with triple camera pump setup array, which are the 50 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Those cameras will be able to record videos up to 4K resolution. On the front, it comes with a cover camera of 10 megapixel and when it's unfolded, it has an under display 4 megapixel camera. Not that good enough for taking clear selfie shots. The front camera will be able to record videos in 4K resolution as the back cameras. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 houses a decent battery capacity of 4400 mAh that supports 25 watts fast charge. It also supports a fast reverse wireless charge of 15 watts. This device runs on Android 12 based on One UI 4.1 launcher. To order this device, you have 4 color options and they are Phantom Black, Grey Green, Beige and Burgundy. Yeah, Burgundy. The Burgundy color variant will probably be available in some countries. This device comes with a side fingerprint sensor and it supports IPS8 rating for water resistance, but I'm not sure about the dust resistance. It also supports Air Stylus pen, but it's not going to come in the box. If you're ordering it, you're ordering it separately. That's what Samsung said. The official price of this device is not yet announced, but you can follow me on Twitter to get updates on that. If you're in Nigeria, you can easily pre-order this device with 200,000 naira. Just check out the Samsung website or page. So guys, here comes to the end of my video for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Tell me what you think about the device. Tell me your best feature or specification of the device. If you have any question, do not hesitate. Ask me on the comment section. Let's chat. Please show some support by subscribing and also turning that notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on this channel. Thank you guys and see you all on my next video. Peace out.